Hello everyone, welcome to Inkwell TV. Today we're diving into one of the most important aspects of writing, tone. Now, what do we mean by tone? Tone is the attitude or feeling behind your words. It's the personality your writing carries. Just like when you speak, sometimes you're playful, sometimes serious, sometimes gentle. Writing has moods too. And here's the key. The right tone depends on your audience. If you mismatch the two, your message may not land at all. Imagine cracking jokes in a legal contract or using academic words to explain cartoons to kids. It just won't work. That's why great writers always ask, who am I writing to, and how do they need to hear it? Let's see how this works in practice. We'll look at 3 different audiences: kids, adults, and grannies. With kids, the best tone is playful, simple, and fun. They respond to rhythm, imagination, and bright ideas. Think of it as painting with words. For adults, the tone should be clear, respectful, and relatable. Adults want practical information that's easy to apply. You can be friendly, but they expect a professional touch. And with grannies, or older audiences, the tone shines when it's warm, patient, and respectful. Imagine writing as though you're sitting down for a gentle conversation over tea. So here's the takeaway. Writing is not just about words, it's about connection. By choosing the right tone for the right audience, you turn simple words into bridges that truly reach people. This is Blessing Peace for Inkwell TV. Remember, know your audience, match your tone, and your writing will always speak louder. If you've watched this far, it means that this really helped you. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Don't let that ink dry up. I love you all.